Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung A5 2017 phone. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, which will help soften the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy such a diffuser and brush as a set, Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or at least not too stiff, because a stiff one will scratch your phone. We start by turning off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's on. We need to turn it off completely, make sure it's fully powered down, and only then can we clean it. Then we slide the phone to the side. This will make it easier to access, especially the speaker, since the speaker is here in the glass. We moisten the brush with the recommended alcohol, making sure it's pure alcohol. And now the brush is moistened. We hold the phone steady with our fingers and, using a consistent motion in one direction, clean the speaker. We make about 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then we do the same in the opposite direction, 10 to 15 strokes. If the speaker is very dirty, we repeat this process, 2 to 3 times in each direction. After this, it will be perfectly clean and will work like new. If it's not very dirty, you might be able to, maybe just once in each direction will be enough to finish cleaning it. But I still suggest doing it 2 to 3 times in each direction, because that way it will be thoroughly cleaned and will work like new for a longer time. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, so the phone will be ready to use. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it as normal right away. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.